Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Madhi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. My dear students, never blame to your destiny, to your luck. Make a way of your bright future by your own, by your hard work. You all know that FF4 exams is going to be started, and from previous some lectures we are making revision for the same. The syllabus of FF4 exams is Chapter 9 Time, Chapter 10 Money. Right now we are making revision of chapter number 9 Time. This is a clock which has numbers 1 to 12 on it. Clock has two hands, short hand and long hand. Short hand indicates an hour. Long hand shows the minutes. What is a time? Time is defined as the duration in which all things happen, or a precise instant that something happens. An example of time is the Renaissance era. An example of time is breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. An example of time is a date at noon next Saturday. The shorthand of the clock is the hour hand. The long hand is the minute hand. Draw the hour hand to show the time. Look, my dear students, here we are having an image of a clock. You can see the numbers 1 to 12 on this clock. Now see, we are having the long hand or minute hand on this clock. What is missing over there? An hour hand. As our instruction is, draw the hour hand to show the time. So, how can we express the time? By the hour hand. As you all know that a clock has two hands, short hand and long hand. The short hand indicates the time or hour. The long hand indicates minutes. So, here we have minute hand or long hand. So, we have to draw the hour hand to express what time it is. Here you can see the time is written. It is 3 o'clock. So, what do you say? Where should we draw the hour hand? Yes, towards number 3. This is the way we can draw the short hand or hour hand. As in this clock, the time is 3 or 3 o'clock. We have to draw the hour hand to 3. Now see, we have one another clock. Here also we have numbers 1 to 12 on its face. We also have the minute hand. Now we have to draw the hour hand. Where to draw it? Observe it carefully. You can see the time written over there. Think in your mind, where should we draw the hour hand? It is 1 o'clock or 1. So, we have to draw the hour hand or short hand towards 1. Hour hand is at 1, minute hand is at 12. The time is 1 or 1 o'clock. Now see, again we have the clock which has numbers on it, as well as it has drawn the minute hand on it. We have to draw the hour hand. Observe the screen properly. You can see the time written there. Think in your mind, where should we draw the hour hand or short hand? Look, the time is 7. Means it's 7 o'clock. So, we have to draw the hour hand at 7. Now observe this clock properly. Now you all know, as we already have completed almost 3, and yes, this is the revision. So you all can understand how to draw the hour hand here. What time it is? You can see the time written. It is 6 o'clock. Am I right? So, we have to draw the hour hand at 6. See, the clock and write the time. See the clock and write the time. Now, look at the screen. Think in your mind what time it is. Who has written the time? Here, the shorthand is at 2. The long hand is at 12. So, the time is 2 o'clock. Write down 2 O, comma CLOCK, clock. We should write the time on this way. 2 o'clock. Understand, everyone? Now see, there is one more clock. Look at the screen properly. I am waiting for you so that you all can observe it carefully. Observe it properly. Think in your mind. What time it is? Look. The shorthand is at 4. Long hand is at 12. What does it means by? It means it is 4 o'clock. This is hour hand. This is minute hand. So, the time is 4 o'clock. Now see the clock. Observe it carefully. Think what time it is. The shorthand is at 9. Long hand is at 12. So what time it is? I am giving you some time so that you all can think in your mind. Yes, it is 9 o'clock. When the hour hand is at 9, minute hand is at 12, the time is 9 o'clock. Now, observe this clock properly. I am waiting for a while so that you all can think what time it is. You can take decision by your own that what time you should write. Observe it carefully. Where the hour hand is, where the minute hand is, the hour hand is at 1, minute hand is at 12, which means it is 1 o'clock. We have to write the time on this way. It is 1 o'clock. Whenever someone asks you regarding the time, you should reply on this way. If it is 1 o'clock, then it is 1 o'clock. Clock indicates 5. Then we can say it's 5 o'clock. Now see, you can see a clock on your screen which indicates some particular time. Now observe the pattern of the hands, where the short hand is, where the long hand is, and think, which time should we write? The short hand is at 5, long hand is at 12, which means it is 5 o'clock. How should we write it? Let us see. 5 o'clock. We have to write the time as you have seen on the screen. Write 5, leave some space, O, make a comma, clock. The time is 5 o'clock. We have one more clock. Observe it properly. See the position of hands of the clock, where the long hand is, where the short hand is. After observing, think in your mind what time it is. Yes, this is the time when you come at the school. It's 12 o'clock. Why? See, both hands together at number 12, which means it is 12 o'clock. Write name of days of the week. THERE. There are 7 days in a week. Number 1, Monday, Monday. Number 2, Tuesday, Tuesday. Number 3, Wednesday, Wednesday. Number 4, Thursday, Thursday. Number 5, Friday, Friday. Number 6, Saturday, Saturday. Number 7, Sunday, Sunday. These are 7 days of the week. Look, my dear students, oftenly we have started saying days of the week from Sunday. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. But actually, a week starts from Monday. And the last day of the week is Sunday, which means the first day is Monday, last day is Sunday. Okay? Match. You can see days of the week in the first column. We have to match it with given information regarding these days in this column. First one is Wednesday, Wednesday. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Thursday, Thursday. Let me read the options we are having. Is the first day of the week, comes after Monday? Comes before Thursday? Is between Wednesday and Friday? Now observe this properly. The first match is already done. Wednesday comes before Thursday. See, this is Wednesday and Thursday. So Wednesday comes before Thursday. Now Monday. Here we have option is the first day of the week. Let us see. You can see the Monday as the first day of the week. So match it with is the first day of the week. Monday is the first day of the week. Now Tuesday. We have two options remaining. Comes after Monday and is between Wednesday and Friday. So here you can see Tuesday. It comes after Monday. First we have Monday, then Tuesday. So we can match it with comes after Monday. Last one, Thursday, is between Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we have to match it with this. So my dear students, today we have make revision of see the clock and write the time, days of the week and match the following. The revision will continue till some next lectures. So today we are going to end the lecture. At your home everyone. Stay safe. Stay happy. Take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.